Hey y'all, and welcome back. So today we have another battery charger. This one does offer a 30,000 milliamp high capacity solar charge. This will help you with all your charging needs. So right here is the solar charger. This one does offer 30,000 milliamp high capacity solar battery with the built-in USB-C for iOS and USB import cables, fast charge. So you can see right here it's 30,000 milliamp. Let's go and open up the box. So power your life, power your work. We got here the user manual. This just tells you a little bit about the battery, how you can charge a phone to 50% in just 30 minutes. There's 3 built-in cables. No need to carry cables anymore. You can charge anywhere at any time. This just tells you how you can charge it, about the sun, what each cable's for. So with the 30,000 milliamp massive capacity, gives you an 8.8 charges on an iPhone 11, a Galaxy S21 6.5 charges, an iPad mini a 3.2 charges, and this is the Type-C charger to charge it if you want to charge it the normal way via the plug. So it's a little tiny cable. And right here we have the solar panel itself. This is durable, 5 outputs and 2 inputs, escorting your charge. So that's the solar panel on the top. You have the display right here letting you know what your charge level is. It's very durable. You've got your LED flashlights. It comes with a regular flashlight. You have an SOS, also a strobe. Here is your power button. And back here you have an iOS cable, a USB A port, and a C port. This is your Type-C. And this one here is your USB import charging cable, so you can charge it this way via a plug. And then you have your typical iPhone, iPad charger. So the cables are not very long, but it's just a little cable to charge, so you don't have to bring any cables with you anymore with this charger. So this is your typical iOS charging cable. So you get all 3 of them. It just shows you your output 5, your in 2, your out 4. So they're very sturdy in here. There's your flashlight. Got some good grips on the side. You could put a keychain ring on this if you like to hang on your backpack. It's got really good grips on the side. You can see that the charger is all the way completely charged except for one. So if we make our way to the top, and at the top this is the waterproof cover. So with the waterproof cover, it also offers some more plugins. This is your out 2. You've got an input and an output 3. So for it to be waterproof, you want to completely close this to make it sealed. So it's a really nice charger. It does offer a lot more than any other chargers do. Here's the flashlight. You push the power button again, you'll get a strobe. Or that's the SOS. One more time and you'll get the strobe. One more time, it'll turn it off. So that's what the flashlight looks like. So with it having a 30,000 milliamp batteries, like I said before, it does offer multiple charges. It will charge your device to 50% in just 30 minutes. It does have the built-in cables, as you can see right here. It does charge the iPhone about 8.8 times, a Galaxy S21 about 6.5 times, an iPad mini about 3.5 times. You can see right here the cables are pretty sturdy. So you no longer need any cables if you want to charge your devices. They have it right here. But if you do decide to use a different cable, it does offer you ports at the top. Right here tells you that it's a 3.7 volts, 30,000 milliamp battery. So I would definitely check this one out. This does offer a lot more than the other ones do. In fact, that you do not need any more cables to charge your devices, but if you do have them, there are ports at the top that are waterproof as long as you have the case covering it. And if you want to charge it via the plug, this also offers that option, as well as charging it by the sun.